Ever feel like your dreams are huge, but you've got zero energy to chase them? You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never seems to show up. You aim to do something meaningful, yet even beginning feels overwhelming. You imagine writing a book, getting in shape, or learning a new skill, but end up glued to your phone or watching TV instead. Why does this happen? It's not because you're destined to be lazy forever. It's because the task feels too overwhelming. When something looks hard, your brain says, let's just do something easier. But here's the good news. This can change. Laziness isn't your identity. It's just a pattern, and patterns can be rewritten. Think about those moments when the goal felt too big, so you didn't even try. You wanted to save money, but giving up all the little comforts felt like too much. Or maybe you wanted to get in shape, but the idea of daily workouts just sounded exhausting. It's not a lack of care. It's your brain avoiding discomfort and chasing ease. But you can beat that wiring. Here are 3 easy steps to break free from laziness and focus on what really matters. Step 1, shrink the task. Big goals feel intimidating, so break them down. Want to write a book? Don't worry about 200 pages. Just aim to write a single sentence today. Tiny steps are easier and they feel good. Picture it like climbing a mountain. You don't leap to the summit, you take one small step at a time. Do the same with your goals. Those small wins begin to stack up. Here's another example. If you're trying to learn guitar, don't push yourself to play a full song in one sitting. Start with one chord. With time, those small efforts build into real progress. The trick is to prioritize progress over perfection. Step 2, build simple routines. Don't count on willpower. Establish routines instead. Willpower fades, but routines turn actions into habits. Want to start exercising? Place your sneakers by your bed. When you wake up, it's one less barrier. Think of routines like training wheels. They support you until the action feels natural. What's one small routine you could begin today? Maybe writing a short to-do list each morning or drinking water right after waking up. These mini habits give your day structure and help you build momentum. Step 3, try the 2-minute rule. Starting is always the hardest part, so commit to just 2 minutes. That's it. Want to read more? Just read a single page. Need to clean your space? Tackle one small corner. Once you begin, it's easier to continue. Think of it like giving a ball its first push down a hill. Getting it moving is tough, but after that, it rolls on its own. Bonus tip, reward yourself for starting. After your 2 minutes, do something you enjoy, like playing a favorite song or taking a short break. Rewards make starting feel good and train your brain to associate action with pleasure. Here's the truth. Every achiever starts small. Even the people you admire have struggled. What made the difference? They kept showing up. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to begin. Visualize your dream as a small spark. Every tiny action you take is fuel. Keep feeding it, and soon you'll have a fire that can't be ignored. So what small thing will you do today to ignite that fire? And remember, it's okay to stumble. Everyone does. What counts is standing back up and trying again. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the path. So be gentle with yourself and just keep moving. Let's break it down. If you're someone with big dreams but low energy, here's your plan. 1, break tasks down into small, manageable steps. 2, establish routines that remove friction. 3, start with just 2 minutes of action. That's all. Don't wait for the stars to align. Begin right now. Choose one thing and take a tiny step forward. Your goals are waiting. Go after them. And remember this above all, perfection isn't required. Consistency is. Small, steady efforts create powerful change, but consistency only comes when you take that first step.